right here is the winner of the Founders Trophy, the City of Burbank, for the most beautiful entry built and decorated by volunteers from the sponsoring community or organization. Go Burbank. The City of Burbank float captures the essence of the 200-year-old German wedding celebration known as Oktoberfest. The happy German man sips his beverage from a tankard, and the Fräulein refills his glass. The German Oompah-style band and costume dancers all add to the flavor of the celebration.
We got a lot going on this float. We got a pair of squirrels playing their alpenhorns. You got dolls waving their handkerchiefs, birds popping in and out from the peak of the chalet, and you got live dancers working this thing. So, I mean, there's a lot happening in Oktoberfest. I never knew squirrels played alpenhorns. I just didn't. Every time I look at them, I just want to go, Ricola!
They're special, they're special squirrels in
Yes,
those parades.
yes. They're the alpenhorn squirrels.